To connect AirPods 4 into your TV, first of all, you have to grab the charging case, you have to input both earbuds inside, and over here under this LED indicator, you will have to double tap, like so, to activate the pairing mode, so this indicator will start blinking white. But if it is not working, then just simply close the case, reopen, and simply repeat. As you can see now, it is working. So keep that case open, and right now, you will have to grab the remote controller of your TV and go to the settings. Then you have to search for sound settings. So in my case, I can find Bluetooth settings under the sounds, but sometimes you have to go into connections. So it actually depends of your phone, of your TV model. Go to the sound settings, like in my case, when you find the Bluetooth, go into the Bluetooth pairing list and just search for AirPods 4. They should be available on the pairing list. And as you can see now, you have to just select the AirPods 4, wait for connection, and as you can see over here, we are successfully connected. There we go, we are connected and you can use AirPods 4 with our TV.